Hi everyone, this is Mr. InStitches here. I wanted to make a short little video today to show you all how to search for our crochet tutorials on our YouTube channel, how to find playlists and see the videos that are in those playlists, and a little bit of information about memberships on our YouTube channel. Many of you have asked if we have certain tutorials on certain projects, and a lot of the time we do. We have hundreds of free tutorials on our YouTube channel, and I wanted to show you how to find them or a particular project that you're interested in. So the first thing you'll want to do is go to Google and type in Jayda InStitches. That'll take you to this page, and right up here at the top you will see youtube.com channel, Jayda InStitches YouTube. So you want to click here. It's going to take you to our channel homepage, and this is where you will find the tabs across the top. You may have heard us talk about these in live streams. So these are the tabs across the top. You can click on any one of these if you're interested in any more information. This is the one I want to talk to you about today, videos, and the one next to it, playlists. So we'll start with videos. If you click on the video tab, you're going to get all of our videos. So the easiest thing to do would be to specifically search. If you want, you can just scroll down and look at the thumbnails and see if there's a project or a tutorial that you're interested in, and you can just keep scrolling and scrolling until you reach the end of the list. But if you want to make it faster and easier, what you want to do is come to the top here. So you've clicked on videos. You're going to go to the magnifying glass. You're going to click on that. Let's choose something specific. So let's start with a scarf. I'm going to type in scarf, press enter, and every tutorial that we have that's related to scarf should show up at the top. So another one we can do, we'll delete scarf and let's try stuffed toy. Press enter, and there you go. We have all of the stuffed toy tutorials pop up. Most of them should be up at the top. There's a long list of those too. The other thing we can try, let's see, we've been asked for something specific. So let's say you're interested in a stuffed toy, but you're interested specifically in a panda. So I'm going to type in panda, and there you go. A panda right up top. So that's how you use the search. Anything that you would like to see, if we have it here on our channel, just take those steps and that will help you easily and much more quickly find it. The other thing I wanted to talk about was playlists. So playlists is similar to searching for a specific video. But if you click on playlists, you're going to get categories of videos. You can see across the top we have crochet baskets, bathroom crochet, what to do with variegated yarn, home decor, crochet gifts for men, tidy up and organize, etc., etc. So the way this works is, let's say you are interested in summer crochet. Summer's coming. I want to do some summer crochet. So you head over to summer crochet, and you can click on here. It says view full playlist. So you want to click on that, and you'll get the full playlist of all the videos that are inside of this category. And you can browse through that and decide if there's something specific that you're interested in. You can also just play the playlist and it'll just play each one after another. So another example here, let's say I want to make a blanket, or granny squares. Let's say I want to work on granny squares. What kind of granny squares tutorials does Jayda have here on the channel? So I'm going to go to the granny square area right here, and I am going to click on View Full Playlist, and there you go. Those are all the granny square tutorials that we have inside the playlist. That is granny squares and more, the category of granny squares and more. Another thing I thought I'd mention, since we're right here, is the community tab. For those of you that just want to see some various information, posts, messages, things like that, you can come here, click on community, and you can scroll through messages and information, links to other videos, links to projects, things like that. Sometimes we have sales in our Etsy shop and we post those. So it's just a bit of extra information. The final thing I wanted to mention today was about memberships. So this is, when we talk about the join button, this is it here on the top right. This is the join button. So if you click it and you're not signed in, so if you don't have an account with Google, it's going to give you this message. It's going to say, want to join this channel? Sign in to become a member. So if you're not signed in with your account, you can set up an account for free, and then you can sign in and be logged in to YouTube when you're using it. When you're logged in, when you click on this join button, an entirely new page will pop up that will show you all the information about memberships, all the tiers, what the perks are for the tiers, and all that information will pop up. But you do need to be signed in, and you do need a Google account. The Google account is free. Now, if you're on a tablet or a phone, it will work more or less the same way. It'll just look slightly different. But same thing, when you go to Jayda InStitches homepage, the YouTube homepage, you can find videos, playlists, all these tabs will be there. It'll look similar, not identical, but it will look similar. So that's it for today. Thanks for listening. Thanks for dropping by. I hope that helps some of you find our videos more easily. Remember, if you're not subscribed, set up a Google account. It's free, and click that subscribe button. And that's it for today. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay crafty, and have a wonderful week. Bye.